The other number that investors and buyers are paying more and more attention to is net revenue retention. And I think Paul is going to share some insights with us on what are the benchmarks for NRR. But the critical thing to remember about NRR is that it's a composite number. It's the result of several different inputs. And it's really important to understand your inputs and how the positive factors and the negative factors are impacting you. The positive factors are what we talked about earlier, growth in package. If you have a GBB style packaging architecture, it's upsell. And then most of us have an opportunity to do cross-sell as well. The negative factors, the most important is churn. And if your churn is higher than the natural churn for your industry, you need to fix that first. Churn sucks the life out of subscription companies. And the other thing to be aware of is that anytime you have an upside, there's a potential downside. So if you use usage-based pricing, you have an opportunity to grow in package, but there's also the risk of shrinkage in package. If you have upsell, there's also the risk of downsell. People can move from your better package down into your good package, and so on. And it's really important to analyze your NRR using this waterfall. And you can have companies that have the same NRR, but very different characteristics. You might have a company that had high churn, say 10% churn,